Your due date is just around the corner, so you'll probably be thinking about what to pack for your stay in hospital. Aim to have your bag packed by the time you reach 36 weeks pregnant, just in case your baby makes an unexpected early arrival. What you pack is really down to you, but you need to think about what you'll need both for labour and for after the birth, for both you and your baby. Try to keep things simple. Maternity wards are often small and most women don't stay in hospital for longer than a couple of days. Don't forget to pack your birth plan and maternity notes. A couple of dark coloured nighties will be handy for labour and afterwards, so consider buying ones with front openings for easy breastfeeding. A dressing gown and slippers or warm socks will be useful, as well as loose, comfortable clothing for when you leave the hospital. Pack your usual wash bag, including your makeup and lip balm. And baby wipes will be helpful for freshening up. You may use an iPod plus earphones to help you get a little sleep or to relax, and consider taking a few magazines or even a baby book on development. Earplugs or an eye mask may be a good idea, so you can get that much needed sleep. Snacks and drinks for labour and hairbands can help you feel more comfortable, and you might want to pack straws to help you take water during labour. Remember maternity sanitary pads, at least 2 packs of 12, a nursing bra, sleep bra, breast pads and disposable briefs. Midwives recommend maternity sanitary towels as they can monitor the blood loss more accurately than with normal ultra-absorbent pads. Have at least 24 and more at home in case needed. You may be able to use your mobile phone whilst in hospital, but rules do tend to vary, so check with your midwife during your next antenatal check. And you can always buy a phone card and address book to inform loved ones of your exciting news, or ask your partner or relative to help. For the little one, newborn nappies and gentle wet wipes or water-only wipes help with removing messy first stools, but cotton wool and warm water usually work fine. Nappy rash cream can be packed, as occasionally newborns experience mild nappy rash. Add 2 to 3 vests and sleep suits, a few muslin cloths and an outfit for taking your baby home, but do take the weather into account. A hat, socks and baby boots can also be packed. It is a legal requirement to safely install an infant car seat in your car in order to drive your baby home safely.